Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to your Bank of America account. So let's jump into it. The first option is to use PayPal. PayPal is one of the best ways to transfer your Visa gift card balance to your bank account. Another popular option is Cash App, which allows you to send money to friends and family. You can also use it to add your Visa gift card and transfer the balance to your linked bank account. Finally, you can sell your Visa gift card through a website or app and then transfer the money to your Bank of America account. That's it, guys. That's how you can add a Visa gift card to your Bank of America account. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.